Dear children, let us continue the chapter quadratic equations. Now, let us start the exercise 2 of that chapter. First one is find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. Here there are 5 quadratic equations. We have to find the roots of these quadratic equation by the method of factorization. Now you take the first one. The first one is x square minus 3x minus 10 equals 0. You know that this is a quadratic equation and it is a trinomial. The middle term is minus 3x. Find the roots of the quadratic equation by the method of factorization means we have to split the middle term by taking the product of the terms and sum of the terms. Here P and Q are the terms, means the product of the terms is minus 10 into x square. Minus 10 into x square, that equals minus 10x square. Minus 10x square, and the sum of the terms, that is P plus Q. Sum of the terms is the middle term, that is minus 3x. Minus 3x. And here the product is negative, sum is also negative, means the terms or the factors are having different sign. The factors are having different sign. So minus 10x square must be splitted in such a way that one is the positive sign, other one is the negative sign. And which one is having negative sign here? The middle term is having negative sign, therefore the greater number is having negative sign, and the smaller term is having positive sign. And in which table 10 is there? You know that 1 tens are 10 and 2 5s are 10, that is 5 2s are 10. So you can have minus 5 and plus 2. Minus 5 and plus 2, that is minus 5x and plus 2x. You know that minus 5x into plus 2x is minus 10x square. Minus 10x square, and minus 5x plus 2x is minus 3x, which is equals to the middle term of the given quadratic polynomial here. That is middle term of the LHS. Therefore, the minus 3x can be splitted as minus 5x plus 2x. So, you write the 4 terms here. X square minus 3x is what? Minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equals 0. And here make the group of two terms. And in the first group, x square minus x minus 5x, x square minus 5x, what is the common? X is the common, and you write in the bracket x minus 5. If x is removed as a common, the terms in the bracket are x minus 5. If x minus 5, so x into x is x square you are going to get, and x into minus 5 is minus 5x. Then plus 2. If 2 is removed common, because 2 and minus 10 is there, the HCF of 2 and minus 10 is 2 here, and in the bracket you are going to get x minus 5, because 2 into x is 2x, 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. So in the bracket here x minus 5 equals 0. Now here x minus 5 are common. Remove that common factor, and in the bracket what you are going to get? X plus 2. X plus 2. So write x plus 2. So the two factors are x minus 5 and x plus 2. Equate each factors to 0, then you will get a linear equation. So you write x minus 5 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. This equals 0 or this equals 0. Then you got two linear equations. One is x minus 5 equals 0 and the other one is x plus 2 equals 0. So that is x equals 0 plus 5, 5, or x equals 0 minus 2, minus 2. X equals 5 or x equals minus 2. These are the two roots of the quadratic equation. X square minus 3x minus 10 equals 0. Next you take the second one. What is the second one? 2x square plus x minus 6 equals 0. 2x square plus x minus 6 equals 0. Here the terms are 2x square plus x minus 6 and the middle term is x, and consider the two terms of the splitting terms of x are here p and q. And what is the product of the two terms? That is pq equals minus 6 into 2x square or 2x square into minus 6. So you will get minus 12x square. Minus 12x square, and sum of the terms, that is the middle term p plus q equals 1x plus x means 1x, and the product is having negative sign minus 12x square. As the product is having negative sign, the factors are having different signs. Factors are having different signs, and difference of numbers you must have here. So you write minus 12x square. The factors are having different sign as the product is having negative sign, and the greater number is having the sign of the middle term, that is plus and minus. Now in which table 12 is there? You know that 2 6 are 12, 12 1s are 12, and 4 3s are 12. Here the difference is 1 means you must take 4 and 3. So 4x minus 3x equals 1x. So you can have plus 4x and minus 3x are the factors. Plus 4x and minus 3x are the factors. So you write the four terms obtained here. 2x square, the middle term plus 1x can be written as plus 4x minus 3x. Plus 4x minus 3x. Then the last term is minus 6 equals 0. Here you got two group of two terms. The first group is 2x square plus 4x. Here you remove common. What is common? You know that out of 2x square and 4x, here 2x is common. Out of 2 and 4, here HCF is 2, and x square and x is common. So totally 2x is common. Remove that outside. In the bracket what you are going to get? You know that 2x into x is 2x square plus 2x into 2. So in the bracket you got x plus 2. Then minus 3x minus 4. Here the common is minus 3. In the bracket here minus 3 is outside means x. Sign changes as there is negative sign outside the bracket. Plus 2 equals 0. Then here x plus 2 is there. X plus 2 in the bracket. Here 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 equals 0. X plus 2 into 2x minus 3 equals 0. Equate each factors to 0. First factor is x plus 2. Equate that to 0. X plus 2 equals 0 and 2x minus 3 equals 0. So write x plus 2 equals 0 or 2x minus 3 equals 0. 2x minus 3 equals 0. Then x equals 0 minus 2, that is minus 2, or 2x equals 0 plus 3, that is 3. That is x equals minus 2 or x equals 3 by 2. X equals 3 by 2. Therefore the roots are minus 2, 3 by 2. Roots are minus 2, 3 by 2. Then you take the third one. What is that third one? Root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equals 0. 5 root 2 equals 0. Now here the three terms of root 2x square, 7x, 5 root 2. Then the product of the terms, product of the factors is 5 root 2 into root 2 x square, or root 2 x square into 5 root 2, that equals 5 into root 2 is 10, that is 2 x square, you will get 10x square. 5 into 2 x square equals 10x square. Then p plus q, sum of the terms 7x, and here the product is positive, sum is also positive, therefore both the signs are, both the factors are having, both the terms are having same sign, that is the positive sign. The middle term is having the positive sign, so both the factors are having positive sign. And here sum of the factors that you have to take, same sign means sum of the factors. Sum is 7, product is 10. In which table 10 is there? 1 tens are 5 twos are. So you know that 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. So you take 5x plus 2x, that is 7x. You write that 5x 7x, 5x 2x, 5x 2x. The factors are 5x and 2x. So 7x can be splitted as 5x plus 2x. So you write the factors here, root 2 x square. 7x can be written as the sum of 5x and 2x plus 5 root 2 is equals to 0. The product of these two is 10x square. 5x into 2x is 10x square. 5x plus 2x is 7x. Then you make the group of two terms, and here the first factor is common is x only, and in the bracket root 2 remains and x remains, plus here 5 remains. So in the bracket you will get root 2x plus 5. Here 2 is there, root 2 is there. 2 means root 2 into root 2, therefore you remove root 2 as a common. So root 2 is common, write that outside. In the bracket root 2 will remain, x is will remain. So you got root 2x plus 5 root 2 means root 2 is outside, in the bracket you will get 5. So you got root 2x plus 5 in the bracket. Now here these two are common, remove that as a common, root 2x plus 5 into x plus root 2, x plus root 2 equals 0. Here also you write equals 0. Now equate each factors to 0. By equating each factors to 0, you will get two linear equation, that is root 2 x plus 5 equals 0 or x plus root 2 equals 0. Then you write root 2 x equals 0 minus 5 is minus 5, or x equals 0 minus root 2 is minus root 2. Then x equals minus 5 by root 2, or x equals minus root 2. Therefore roots are minus 5 by root 2 and minus root 2. Minus 5 by root 2 minus root 2. These are the two roots. Take the fourth one, that is 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equals 0. Here the first and last terms are, that is pq equals 1 by 8 into 2x square, that is 2 ones are 2 fours are, you will get 1 by 4x square. 1 by 4 x square. Sum of the terms p plus q is equals to minus x means minus 1x. Minus 1x. Then here the product is 1 by 4x square and the sum is minus 1x. As the product is positive, both the terms are having same sign, and the middle term is having negative sign, means you must take the negative sign for both the, and the sum of the factors that you have to take, sum of the terms. Same sign means sum. You know that half plus half is 1, half into half is 1 by 4. So you take half x minus half x equals minus 1x and half into half is 1 by 4. So you take 1 by 2x into 1 by 2x means x by 2 you can take. So you write 2x square minus 1 by 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 8 equals 0. Now in the first group 2x square minus 1 by 2x, if you remove 2 as a common and x here common, in the bracket you will get first term x minus, here you know that 1 by 2 means that is 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 4x. 1 by 4 you are going to get. X will be outside here. So x minus 1 by 4. Here you remove 1 by 2 outside and you will get x minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 8. That equals 0. 2x into x minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 4. You know that 2x into x is 2x square. And 2x into minus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. That is 2x into 1 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. You will get 1 by 2. 1 by 2 it. Next 1 by 2 is outside. 1 by 2 into x is 1 by 2x. And 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is, you are going to get 1 by 8. Now the common factor is here x minus 1 by 4. Both are x minus 1 by 4. And other factor is 2x minus 1 by 2 equals 0. Then equate each factors to 0. Write x minus 1 by 4 equals 0 or 2x minus 1 by 2 equals 0. That is x equals 0 plus 1 by 4. It becomes x equals 1 by 4 or 2x equals 1 by 2. 0 plus 1 by 2. Then x equals 1 by 4 or x equals 1 by 2 into 2, that is into 1 by 2. So you got x equals 1 by 4 or x equals 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Therefore roots are 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Roots are 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Then the fifth one, 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equals 0. Here the product of the terms PQ equals 1 into 100x square. 1 into 100x square, that equals 100x square. 100x square. Then sum of the terms P plus Q is, that is the middle term, minus 20x. Then here the product is 100x square, which is positive. Therefore both the factors must have the same sign, that is the sign of the middle term, that is negative. Means both the factors must have negative sign. So 100x square, the terms are having negative sign. You know that minus into minus is plus. That is the sum of the terms. And in which table 100 is there? That you know that 10 tens are 100 is there. 1 into 100 is there. 10 is okay, it seems, because the sum we have to take minus 10 is minus 20. Minus 10x equals minus 20x. So you can write minus 10x and the product of minus 10x and minus 10x is 100. So you write the four terms here, 100x square minus 10x plus 1 equals 0. 100x square minus 10x plus 1 equals 0. Now out of these two, here you remove 10x common. In the bracket 10 is 100, x into x square 10x minus 1. 10x is outside, so it is 10x minus 1 minus, Here out of 10x and 1, remove 1 as a common. Then in the bracket 10x, sign changes to minus 1 equals 0. And the common factor is 10x minus 1. You write that 10x minus 1 in one bracket, and in the other bracket 10x minus 1. 10x minus 1 equals 0. Equate each factors to 0, that is 10x minus 1 equals 0 or 10x minus 1 equals 0. That becomes 10x equals 0 plus 1, 1. Here also 10x equals 0 plus 1, 1. Then x equals 1 by 10. Here also, that is 10x equals 1, x equals 1 by 10. X equals 1 by 10. So roots are, therefore, roots are 1 by 10, 1 by 10. The question number 2, that is the main question. The question is, solve the problems given in example 1. In example 1 of your textbook of the chapter, there are 2 questions, and already that 2 situations are represented mathematically. Now here we have to solve that questions. We have to solve the 2 questions in the example 1. The first question is, John and Jeevanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. Here, total number of marbles they had together was 45 marbles. Total number of marbles they had 45 marbles. Now, here we have to find the number of marbles they had. So here let us consider the number of marbles John had be x. Let the number of marbles, so you write the solution. Let the number of marbles John had bx. Let the number of marbles John had is x, and you know that total number of marbles they had is 45. Therefore, then the number of marbles with Jeevanti, then the number of marbles with Jeevanti, as total number of marbles are 45, then the number of marbles with Jeevanti is 45 minus x, because the sum of marbles together with John and Jeevanti were 45. So here, if the number of marbles with John is x, then the number of marbles with Jeevanti is 45 minus x. Now next Deva says, both of them lost 5 marbles each. John lost 5 marbles and also Jeevanti lost 5 marbles. If they lost 5 marbles, then the number of marbles with John becomes x minus 5, and the number of marbles with Jeevanti becomes 45 minus x minus 5. So you take number of marbles left with John, when he lost 5 marbles. When he lost 5 marbles equals what? X minus 5. And number of marbles left with Jivanti when she lost 5 marbles. When she lost 5 marbles equals 40 minus x. 40 minus x. Then the product of marbles left with them is 124. That is product of left marbles. Product of marbles left with them. Left with them, that is product of x minus 5 and 40 minus x. X minus 5 into 40 minus x equals how much? 124. 124. So the product of x minus 5 and 40 minus x, that equals x into 40 is 40x. So you write that equals x into 40 is 40x. And x into minus x is minus x square. X into minus x square, minus 5 into 40. 5 4s are 20, that is minus 200. And minus 5 into minus x plus 5x equals 124. Equals 124. So that becomes minus x square. 40 plus 5 is 45 plus 45x minus 200. Transfer that 124, minus 124 equals 0. So you got minus x square plus 45x and minus 200 minus 124. The sum becomes, because they are having same sign, that sum becomes minus 324 equals 0. Then as this x square is having negative sign, then you remove the negative sign, the equation becomes x square minus 45x plus 324 equals 0. So the quadratic equation becomes x square minus 45x plus 324 equals 0. X square minus 45x plus 324 equals 0. This is the quadratic equation what you got according to the given situation, but we have to solve here. Now here the product is, so you take the equation here, x square minus 45x plus 324 equals 0, and here we have to split the middle term. Then you take the sum and product of the terms, then PQ equals 324 into x square, that equals 324 x square, and P plus Q, the sum of the terms, P plus Q equals minus 45x. Now here the product is positive, that is 324 x square, and the sum of the terms is negative. As the product is positive, the factors must have the same sign. So here 324 x square. Now here, as this is little greater number, factorize it first separately, that is 324. Find the prime factors to make it easy. 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 2s are 2 8s are 2 1s are. Then it is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 3 7s are. and here the difference is 45. Then here find the sum here. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, and also again you take 3 9s. Then it becomes 3 3s are 9, 9 to the 8, 8 to the 3 3s are 9, 9 to the 18, 18 to the 36. Here you got 36 and 9 is there. This is okay. Here you can take 324. Here you take 36x and 9x. But here the middle term is having negative sign. So you must take minus 36x minus 9x, and 36 9s are 324, and sum of 36 and 9, sum of minus 36 and minus 9 is 45. Then it is x square minus 36x minus 9x plus 324 equals 0. Make the group of two terms, x square minus 36x under one group and minus 9x plus 324 under one group, and out of x square minus 36x, x is common, remove that outside, that becomes x minus 36 in the bracket, and minus 9 into x minus, you know that 9 into 36 is 324 equals 0. Then the x minus 36 is a common factor, you write that one, x minus 36 into x minus 9 equals 0. So equate each factor to 0. X minus 36 equals 0 or x minus 9 equals 0. So you will get, therefore x equals 0 plus 36 36, or x equals 0 plus 9 9. Then the number of marbles, therefore number of marbles John had equals x equals 36, and number of marbles Jivanti had, that is 45 minus x, that equals how much? 45 minus 36, 45 minus 36, that equals 9. Or if you take x equals 9, then the number of marbles with John becomes x, that equals 9, and 45 minus x, that is 45 minus 9, that equals 36. So you can have number of marbles John had, x equals 36, or what? 9 you take, or otherwise you take number of marbles they had 36 and 9. Number of marbles they had 36 and 9. So you write in together number of marbles they had, because here x values are 36 and 9, therefore you can write any value for x. Therefore you can write, if John had 36 marbles, then Jivanti had 9. If John had 9 marbles, then Jivanti had 36. So therefore number of marbles they had, start with number of marbles they had, start with 36 and 9. 36 and 9, that is the answer. Next, the second main in example 1. The question is, a cottage industry produces certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy in rupees was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was rupees 750. We would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day. Here it is given that the cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. And on a particular day the total cost of production was rupees 750. So you write the solution here. First you write the quadratic representation. So you write, let the number of toys produced on that day equals x, and the cost of production in rupees of each toy. Therefore, cost of production in rupees of each toy that day. Cost of production in rupees of each toy that day becomes what? 55 minus number of toys on that day, that is 55 minus x. Then the total cost of production. Therefore, total cost of production on that day equals what? Number of toys and cost of each toy, x into 55 minus x, and it is given that total cost equals x into 55 minus x, that equals 750 rupees. Then it becomes 55x. X into 55 is 55x minus x into minus x is minus x square equals 750. Now you transfer that 750 to LHS. That becomes 55x minus x square minus 750 equals 0. Then that is minus x square plus 55x minus 750 equals 0. Then you remove minus outside, you will get x square minus 55x plus 750 equals 0. Then it is, the quadratic equation is x square minus 55x plus 750 equals 0. Now you find the value of x, find the solution by splitting the middle term by the method of factorization. Now here the product, if you take the factors are p, and q, the product of the factors, product of the term is 750 into x square, that equals what? 750 x square. Then p plus q, the sum of the terms, that is minus 55x. You know that the product is positive, so the factors are having same sign, that is the sign of the middle term, that is minus. So you take minus minus. Now you factorize it. 750, you factorize 2 3s are and 2 7s are, 2 5s are. Then it is divisible by 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So divide it by 3, divisible by 3, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 5s are. Then 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8. It is not divisible by 3. Then you divide it by 5. 5 2s are and 5 5s are. Now you find 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. You will get 30 and 25. So if you add minus 30x and minus 25x, you will get minus 55. So the factors are minus 30x minus 25x, you will get minus 55x. So the factors are minus 30x and minus 25x. Here the product is positive and the factors are having the sign of the middle term. Then you take this one, that is x square minus 55 can be splitted as minus 30x minus 25x plus 750 equals 0. Then it is x into x minus 30 minus 25 into x minus, you know that 25 30 is a 25 30 is the 750. So you write 30 equals 0. Then x minus 30 is common factor into x minus 25 equals 0. Then equate each factors to 0, that is x minus 30 equals 0 or x minus 25 equals 0, then x equals 30 or x equals 25. X equals 30 or x equals 25. Now here what you have to find out? Find out the number of toys produced on that day. Means number of toys produced on that way will be 30 or 25. So you take, therefore number of toys produced on that day will be how much? 30 or 25. 30 or 25. You can verify here. You know that if 30 toys are produced, then that is x becomes equals 30 and 55 minus x becomes 25. The product of these two is 750. Or if here x equals 25, then 55 minus x becomes 30. Then 30 into 25 equals again 750.